Hello everyone, my name is Pasharawat Pratipipon from Design Gateway, and today I'm gonna show you the solution and the example of our IP called exFAT-IP. In the past, when you are using the exFAT-IP, you have to connect the SSD to the FPGA and write the file. And when you want to compile the file, you have to remove the SSD from the FPGA and then plug it to the PC to process the file. But with the FTP Server solution, you can just connect the SSD to the FPGA in the same way. But when you want to compile the file, you can just connect the PC as FTP Server by using Ethernet cable. And then you just transfer files so easily. And also, because we are using a FTP Server solution, we can change connection to the other user or other PC without touching the FPGA. So you can record the files from many sensors to FPGA and then download it to PC and let the PC process it. Or just upload file from PC to process on the FPGA. It will be much more easy. And moreover, all of these things can be done without using the operating system. So let's take a look at the demo. Now I'll show you the demo of the FTP server by upload files from my PC to the FPGA, and then I'll download it back to the other place. And there are two files prepared here. The first file is saved in bin5 type with a size of 2 GB, and the second one is a MP4 video file with the same size. So now I'm gonna upload this file to the server and then download it back to this folder by using Design Gateway FTP Server demo. After we program the FPGA, the FTP server will ask us to format the server's disk and to setting the network parameter. And then the FTP server will be ready for the client to connect. As you see, here is the disk information such as file size and maximum file in the disk or total files. And here is the server parameters such as IP, username and password. So we connect to the FTP server demo by using the FileZilla. And the left side shown here is the folder and the files that are in the client or my PC. And the right side is the folder of the server, which is empty right now, so I'm gonna upload the files to the server. When the transfer starts, the client sends the data through the Ethernet cable to TOE1G IP, and the FPGA read the packet and then send the data to the SSD device through exFAT SATA-IP. Remember that we are transfer using the TOE1G IP, which have a maximum speed of 1 Gigabit per second, so the performance will be limited around 100 megabytes per second. So all the files that are uploaded to the server will be renamed and retyped as bin5 type. Then I'm gonna download the files from the FTP server back to the FTP client destination folder. So the data was read from the SSD and sent to the client through the Ethernet cable. And as you see, the performance is almost the same as when we upload it to the server, which is limited by TOE1G IP. This is the file that we downloaded from the FTP server. Then I'm gonna change the file type back to MP4 to recheck it again. And here we are. Now you have seen how our FTP server solutions works. So I just want to make the conclusion of our solution. First, it is able to share the exFAT file format without disconnecting the SSD or touching the FPGA. And it's compact and lightweight system without using the operating system. And it can transfer the file with a maximum speed of Ethernet, and it's over 100 megabytes per second. And our reference size is easy to modify. You can upgrade the TOE-IP from 1G to 10G or 40G, or you can change the SATA storage to the NVMe storage, and you can do it by using our IP. And all of things is free for our customer. If you are interested in our solution, please contact us in www.designgateway.com or click in the link in the description below.